I think it's incredible what you guys do here. I genuinely do. And when I was asked to be a part of your sort of the wellbeing side of things, I absolutely jumped at the opportunity. I think it's such a fantastic and very important part of, like you said, bringing community together. Today we've had here 10 people who haven't necessarily met before. We've connected through the crafting. It's a place for like-minded people to come together and realise that there's that support, and it doesn't have to be it's not often the support they might sort of be used to. It's a sort of social prescription side of things, which is so important. I mean, doctors can prescribe, chemical medicines, but things like just having that community around you is so important for our mental health, and I think it's a brilliant thing that you guys do.